Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making a homemade bread. Yeah, so in lukewarm water we put in our butter first, 2 teaspoons of butter. Yeah, and we're going to put in our yeast. Yeah, then we're going to put in our yeast, a teaspoon of yeast, in lukewarm water, as you can see. And we're going to mix this. We're putting a pinch of salt. As you can see, a pinch of salt in. I'm using a teaspoon, and then we're going to put in sugar. I'm putting in 5 teaspoons of sugar. And I put in then I'm going to put in our flour in our lukewarm water. As you can see. Also, right now we are grinding our flour in the mixer. We are mixing the flour and our wet ingredients as you saw. Yeah, so this is our ready dough for the bread, and then we are going to shift it